yentimin kan bebre yentimin kan bebre me some of these things a ba na se wan hwe yi a ba na se wan hwe e de asem e beba enti eya na wo se ye measured e be based on statement aba no and e betimi around commentaries around it but so wan hwe yi a u ba accuse obi a e be wie no na akonya say because we family
akoya bushia
yes. And I know say except that aspect na tuo to na ba mu no and amana akoye aban asem is it police investigation police so much nipa 6 yeah so show omani mu a
87.9 Kumasi
omo ye mema you see initially no na report ne ba enti you see post am me on Facebook say no me leave window bi said the bear or chinabi but obo ho no wa go straight forward send the brother shooting no and you get that thing enti police say omo take action but the woman pass on say Sarah Adwoa Sarfo no kwasem say we share pictures any videos about bonten no a ituo e ka no you say a pity ne pa ni trimu nyina ya me hwe ni trimu nyina to na pity ni trimu nyina je say nya asem ketwa time a omo incident ni see ya ni nua ode no e call hospital ni nti any
ambulance no
this is it yes and just say police the DH no yeah kitty enya asem ketom de neko na abusuasem de
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
abusuasem
se eye no kro munyanye
o say
se eye no munyanye papa na eye no
de bo munyanye
afi no mba we
enti se papa no mate ayi bobga no from the boy yes and now say boy take it time on social media now o kiremu de asi or accuse Adwoa Sarfo ni nua no say papa ne ti ase or tete papa no a whole lot
Akoma FM
and ayi no munye ye nti no say ombe wi ayi no kra no be go through na bia papa no ne wela waye when ebe succeed no na say when be dina de you get that thing inti that succession plan no say papa no ye ya omo so omo de e wo say ka omo twen o twen na nka omo ye ye ni wie na omo ye ye ni wie a then e bia confirm be ma wo na yesi de ade nti de ade dia na e ko ubesai na Kristo Sarfo no wona abeye
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
eno na utie osebo se omo court because ani me onyina omo say eba nti omo court kwaje injunction a paid the injunction omo secure eno nu kwanse sa de si no ano esi ema ekowie de ewie no kra what you say enti ade na basa no police so omo ye nhwehwemu me die menya pa police nhwehwemu no
Akoma FM
ye manem koso ba me hu se asori ne nso so this statement abase de nenam media no so ne ya obi aboni tuo ni sa de mane nyina nya no kre
say aboa
I'm say niema go to social media so na signed leadership asori no leadership I'm say hey ade na ehu pa o ehu pa enra time osai no over Facebook page we'll let you have that one
87.9 Kumasi
we can do some of these things
na chese we no akusai kra
say omugu so omoye no
eno na omoye na ho na nko
yes ho na in fact we share narration na ayidi bae no a osebo de mae no a ose yes ogu so a omugu so omoye no na Adwoa Sarfo ekọ ho okoduru ho no na je say open access to the venue enti oduru ho a omuhu ne car no ya o forces so bewura ho no na omote say this is according to Osebo
Akoma FM 87.9
Osebo so akwa asori no at a point papa no kra no ma no de asori no eja pade bi ehye ne nsa o tia say papa no de hye ne nsa ma wona na handle akopem say abrantie ya no wonu anso ekoye no say according to Osebo ko wo no ho say Osebo no kra no a papa no ginidi no wo sebi of fefe man wo bedwam ni adenti papa no nyim free ni nsem na papa no gi free ni nsem na ade be wi ha nti the issue is that according to Osebo de no de na che say 87.9 eye Adwoa Sarfo nuan na order say do this fire na tunu ekasa that is according to Osebo but police say almost we investigation
o papa da fam yensie no ye wonu aba ase yentwen na yensie papa na yeti papa we la no a ebia no obo obi a obeye the next leader edin enti yentwen umunu ya watuko hwim wo se wo mpene ena me ne elder baako ye de asem no court ene ekodi injunction e de beto so say the mo ye no money right some ye because constitution no e makwan na sebi ye be si ohini a ye bodwa e ma nipa nyina ye be ye bobo ye be si ohini a ye bodwa e ma nipa nyina e be hu ye mfane kwose kokuom ene se mo be si ohini na mo de ne kwose kokuom di a ene na e kire se bibi ewo ho yakwaji injunction e dia beto so ene yaka trem me personally enura anopa me ena me ne nkofo from court and the lawyer ene ye call obi afie 1111 a ye de injunction no ye de no vet no ekoma wo mu yankoto wo mu ndi ye signing e de koma council of elders no addressing to the Christians of the Mission of Ghana and any of the members of the 7 trustees sign okay and I musan ye no and I the ma police and um say dey we dey mu ntumi nye na ka mo ye wo awoshi anopai mukoduru ho na police fo aye ho ma say ya ma mo kwan e ma mo nye and mu wia mo ho ene pa kakra bi wia omo ba akwadwo fie se omo ba no mo de na besi so as a leader wa abra mo ntima ntwen ama papa tama ese de papa to no ye de ne to wie ansa na ya ye de ye beye mo ntimi antwen
so for this is it we your counter entry Osebo de my and I'm because ono de no but from the look of things no Osebo so no na one Adwoa Sarfo na so wutie this account or the may I just no mo no etu anamono dodo na nti Adwoa nie Adwoa eni and I am say Beluchi question here on this one nti maybe we can use another one now a timer incident na de sadi we buy no eni
Man, Leyama, Leyama, Idi kan nasie this year, I'm acting chairman of the Council of Elders, lawyer Festus, who's any Council of Elders in Asorima General Council. Best say, and then a day, a Nigeria. And that day, and society, I reward that you say. One of the Nadia buying 77. You read the single in the Japan home, it was here then. And then the best lemon of the kind of I'm a wee and moving again. The Apple and you know, best in Cameroon. In Cameroon. Some back one papa catch them and feed them or say, so open up your cook. I know it's 77 at the gym. So we could be local here at the gender. Sounds in the Bible say, and this 77 would mean for an hour of Asia in Yano. And crop, so we have a down now who a barrier, now for them we buy, probably found into my education. Now also in the chair. We are one about them. Messenger and Cabon or dog, and only a dear papa and a tea, now sorry. Yakoyam, young Yanka, but we should be vigilant. Yanka Yamum, and now a blue Akuku Emre, Akuku a 77 giddy Indian, but Akoma Kuku. Metamachi, that's a Metamachi.
And so, I'm therefore the woman here. Where ya Kojo Kofana
87.9
and what is Enra Jumedi Koswa officially will take you over from the late father officially. Enti eno now car no a Adwoa de koye no eni na me wanwa police any accounter eba no any the church Christo Asafo mission of Ghana church leadership krata no mo de aba no adjubo isi akokrata no mo say almost say a lawful church event. As you know, as I say the na ekoso no a lawful. Okay. Na almost go hona no a omo yes event no. Ewo church no property. Asori no eja pade. Yese baby anomo ye no no. Asori ne dia. Ti asori ne eja pade. Omo ye omo guso omo ye no. Ena Adwoa Sarfo ebedru venue ho. Ena oye na dwe say forcefully or the vehicle no the car no e ba wuram. Na good. Wait, mami try to say. Na me ne Kumado.